Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about BYND today, which is Beyond Meats, and it's a trade that I missed, and I just want to review it because that will be good learning for me and hopefully good learning for you as well. So looking at the 4 hour, I was looking to play the hourly oversold bounce. So yesterday on August the 15th on Thursday, it was out of the lower Bollinger Band already. 4 hours almost oversold. And looking at today, 1 hour, it was oversold. Overnight, it came up. And the biggest thing that I didn't do here was I noticed that there was bearish divergence, or actually bullish divergence here on the 1 hour, bullish divergence here on the 15 as well, as this was making a lower low, this was making a higher high, the RSI, and a bullish divergence on the 5 as well. Here, let's see here, bullish divergence on the 5 and 2 minutes, so it was making bullish divergence on every time frame. My play today that I would have made was this. It would have been the break of 137.11, and I was going to expect that it would flush because here's the 2 minute time frame. I was expecting it would flush out all the stop losses, trigger all those stops, and then at that point there'll be no more sellers and only buyers. It'll be 2 minute oversold with a 2 minute bullish divergence again, and then there'll be a buy up. So I wanted to enter here at 136, but I was looking at 137 as well, and I was thinking, okay, I would enter 137, but I had a bit of fear in me, and I wanted to get lower. And then I realized that I would likely never hit the bottom and never hit the top. So it's almost better to just make an entry, make a partial position entry, which I should have done at 137 because I didn't hit 136 as you see here. This was 136.27 and it bounced, gave a bull flag, and then continued to 147. So that was a play I missed thoroughly, and I did feel FOMO as I saw this V-shaped recovery happen. But I think this is a lesson learned that you can't let fear control your game plan. You gotta have a game plan, and you gotta know where you enter. If you're entering multiple positions, you enter the first one, you enter the second one, you enter the third one maybe, and then where your stop loss is, and also where your target profit-taking point is as well. You might miss out on some profits, but you're gonna be okay with that because that was within your trading plan. And so this is the BYND analysis that I had for August the 16th on a Friday in 2019. And have yourself a great day, guys.